to unbox something really massive. We gotta get some tools. Now, normally, I would unbox this with a small knife. Probably one of these will do. So inside of here is an Xbox. That's all I'm gonna tell you right now, unless you read the title. I don't know if I'm doing a very good job or not. I switched knives because I thought maybe this might be better. I thought that we did a good job already, but clearly there's a whole nother layer. I'm just holding this knife now for protection, I think. Oh my gosh. There's Master Chief. Master Chief was larger than life. This is a well, this is more than a life-size Xbox. I wonder if this is the first unboxing. Could be. This is so cool. Jenna just pulled the emergency cable off of my garage door.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
I'm still not actually sure what's even in here. So this is what the Xbox Series X packaging will look like. Granted, I don't think it's gonna be this big, but this looks like the retail box right here. 1 terabyte, 4K 120. This is so massive. This is actually larger, I think, than my first apartment in Los Angeles. Jenna can attest to that.
It's true.
Look, 8K HDR. I guess let's go inside. Roll the dramatic music now. Guys, it's happening. It's happening. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh! We're not done yet. My gosh, Jenna, put your head in here. Put your head in here. Oh my god. It's actually, it looks exactly like the freaking Xbox. But it's a refrigerator. It's a refrigerator. They made the meme a thing. How do we get you out of here? Okay, Jen, this says we need 2 people for deployment of ramp.
Yes.
I am 1, you are 2.
That's the math.
Yep. Okay, so be careful. Oh my, okay, all right. Okay. I mean, I guess we just, now what do we do?
You have to put the ramp down.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Get out of the way. There you go, see? Ramp.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
No, look at this! Oh my gosh! What in the world? This is so insane. I can't believe it. Is this a trick? Are you guys gonna close me up and then ship me off somewhere?
We can't, the ramp's down.
Ah! I can't wait to put all my yerba mates in here. Just pull on it. Okay, oh gosh, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. Oh! Jenna, what did you think you were doing today? Not this.
I never know.
Does this fridge have wheels?
Well, I think so. It's gliding very.
Welcome to your new home. The huge box is gone. The fridge is now officially here in the garage next to baby. Well, this is actual size. I haven't even opened it up yet. I need to put my yerba in there. Oh, this is like a very, very nice refrigerator. Like, this is a really nice fridge. This is like an actual refrigerator. Oh, wow. Should I plug it in? The back is also a replica of the tiny, actual, I keep calling it a tiny Xbox Series X, but it's the actual size Xbox Series X. So this is where the expansion card goes. We've got our HDMI.
2.1.
Wow. Let's open this up. Whoa!
Custom.
That's custom. This whole thing is custom. Can you imagine somebody just calling someone and being like, hey, can you do this?
Sean, the moment of truth.
Ready?
Wait.
No! It freaking lights up! What? Oh my god! It is! I have goosebumps right now. Okay, they may have went, no, they're there. They're there, I promise you. But I just got chills when I opened this up.
Okay, let's do it
This
again.
is, okay, let's do it again. You put that in there.
Here we go.
How did they get a freaking custom sound in this refrigerator? Where's that coming from? Right here. Right there, there's a custom speaker. This is so awesome. I can't believe this. This is so crazy. I am like speechless.
The green is a lovely touch.
It's such a lovely touch. This is a nicer refrigerator than I have in my house right now, but this will not fit inside of my house. Hello, and welcome to my refrigerator. Goodbye. A little touch of Wi-Fi here, a little touch of Wi-Fi there. This is one of 3 refrigerators that were made. So Xbox, thank you guys so much for sending me this. This is so amazing. They're actually going to be doing a Twitter sweepstakes to give away the 3rd one. I have one, and Snoop Dogg has one, and one of you guys might win one as well. Make sure you guys check out Xbox on Twitter for all of the information, and I look forward to gaming season because it is just about here. So I gotta fill this up with snacks. 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 Snacks.